Hey you guys, welcome back to Garden with Green. Just giving you guys an update on my African daisies. As you see, I have a couple seedlings that are pretty close together. So today I'm going to separate those and give them more space to grow. Little seed is still connected. Um, yeah, so I was just giving you guys an update on my African daisies. These will be purple on the outside and white on the inside. So I can't wait till they bloom and sprout for me. Here's my handy dandy spoon that I use when I am separating small seedlings in the pot. I don't use the shovel. Look at that weed. It's just staring at me. I can't wait to pull it up. I'm going to pull you up before this video is over. But yeah, I'm going to separate the seedlings. It is the next day, and I didn't get to record yesterday, but I did separate the seedlings yesterday evening. And as you see, most of them took, and they're hanging except for that one. That one looks like it's struggling, so that one might not survive. But all the other ones took well to the separation and the transplant, so I'm satisfied with that. I can't wait to see the pretty flowers that bloom from these seedlings. I've never grown African daisies before, so I'm excited about the process. I love growing things from seed and seeing the stages. It just helps me with my patience. So I just love the stages of plants and fruits and vegetables. I'm going to give you guys an update once I have a different stage of the plant. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. Have a good day.